guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys a bunch of new music that I've been loving recently, like a playlist. And I didn't think I would have enough music to make one of these videos, but I've been doing a lot of discovering with new music lately, and I've actually found a lot of good songs that I didn't know I liked or wouldn't have known about if I didn't, just find out. So I'm super excited to show you guys. And no, it's not one genre this time of just pop. It's actually quite broad, a little bit, So I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Shelby and I'm so happy you're here. If you're not new, thank you so much for sticking around. I'm so happy that you were here and that you chose to come here, because I love having new people come and just hang out. So yeah, it's very much so appreciated. And if you guys are interested in any of the songs, there will be a playlist linked down below, because I know sometimes a lot of people don't have them, so I made a playlist just for you guys so you guys can check it out. And not to mention, I'm super excited to show you guys all the music. So of course, don't forget to leave a like down below, don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Get a little bit scared, my heart is on wings and living it. I love to love, I love all the ways I feel so much, I get carried away. We lie like this, held on to horses, but I'm letting them go. We're right on course and never stop. So I fake a smile, but I know you know me too well. But it's so.
So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore.
I got this rubber band on my wrist, and I snap it every time that I think about your lips. Got this rubber band on my wrist. Even if it breaks my heart, even if it leaves me scars, 'cause if it hurts, we'll live it up in the higher life. But till we get there, we're living for the night. Rational tears are falling, baby, I swear I promise that I will take you to me. And I kinda think I gotta go. Oh, I'm on fire again.
Just don't call me yours.
So let me be sad tonight, sad tonight, sad tonight, sad tonight. Control, 'cause the one thing I already know. Now I don't feel the need to test drive nothing, test drive nothing.
You bout that lifestyle. Everybody knows. You choose, I don't care. As long as you're right here, stay next to me.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And I just want to say a big thank you to all 574 of you, because you all mean so much to me, and I love every single one of you. And thank you so very much. So of course, without further ado, I love you all. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!